Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Everybody's talking about nearshoring, reshoring, tariffs, bringing manufacturing back to the Americas. But let's face it, China is still kicking our ass. And the reason is simple. We keep trying to play their game. Cheap labor, massive scale. That's not how we win. We need to accept that the Detroit era is over. That world isn't coming back, and that's okay. We're gonna rebuild manufacturing our way. Here's the challenge though. Only 1 in 4 Americans would even consider working in a factory. Because we've spent decades looking down on these jobs, treating them like they're some sort of second-rate gig. That's a big mistake. Manufacturing is still 30% of the global economy, and it's where some of the most important and most exciting jobs of the next decade are gonna be. We're talking about AI engineers training intelligent factories, data scientists optimizing entire supply chains, people designing smarter machines that learn as they run. This isn't the factory of the past, this is the future of engineering. So take this as a calling to every college grad, every data scientist, every engineer. If you're watching this, we need you. And you need this. The factories where your work actually matters, where you solve real hard problems and see what you've built come alive every single day.